Hey YouTube, my friends, if you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. Of course, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. That way we can grow and we can make more videos about power stations and working on cars and then traveling and that type of thing. So the more input and more subscribers and all comments and all that, my channel will grow, and then we'll be able to do more stuff. Okay, so here's my car project. I'm right in the middle of it. This is the one that I bought for a couple I think $500. Supposedly the motor's locked up, but it wasn't. It's the air conditioner's locked up. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've been doing, if I can get it on camera. Right above there, I don't know if you guys can see it. Go ahead and film it from the top. I'm doing this with a notebook. My phone won't take no more storage. So there's the air conditioner down there. So what happened was, I was going to take the clutch off it. I did take the clutch off the air conditioner, and then I noticed the pulleys kind of bent up a little bit, and the bearing race was going to be really super hard to take out, and it just looked like it was going to be a lot of trouble. So I said, shoot, I'll just get another clutch. Well, the clutch is $50. That ain't a whole lot of money, but so I looked up a new air conditioner for this 03 lesabre, and it was $126 off Amazon. So I figured for just a little bit more money, go ahead and buy the whole thing, and then that's what I'm going to do. So I got it on order. It's supposed to be here today, and yesterday I took out the 3 bolts in the front and one in the back that actually holds that thing on. I've done that in a matter of minutes, and then I evacuated the system of Freon, took the line off. So that's where I'm at now, trying to go ahead and slide that thing out. It's on threaded rod, if you would, some studs, and it seems like it's kind of on there pretty good. So I'm gonna have to take something and try to beat it off. Remove it, hit it with a piece of wood or something, try to get it off there. So that's where we're at. And then my other project car, my daughter's fiance, he's the body man. He paints and pulls big dents out of cars and changes fenders and bumpers and all that stuff. So I gave him my other car. I'm gonna try to post some pictures on that, the before and after. He's still a work in progress. It was a major, I wouldn't even call it a dent, a quarter panel. It was like, I don't know, 3 feet wide by 3 feet pushed in quarter panel. So he went ahead and spent about 3 hours on it, pulled it all back out. So now we got to change out the back bumper and the tail light, and then I'll have a complete car on that. I spent either $400 or $500 on that one. So for a couple $100 I have to pay him, something like that. I'm not really sure what he's going to charge me, and then go ahead and turn around and sell that car. These cars are, what I understand, are made for, people like my age or a little bit younger probably. The younger people's not buying these cars. They're considered to be grandpa cars, dad's cars, family cars. They're not really popular with the young people, but they're dependable. They can go for 300,000 miles, 400, if you take care of them. I had one a couple years back. It was a 2000 lesabre, and I had 350,000 miles on it before the transmission and motor went out. So these are good cars. This is a 3800 series motor. So I don't know if anybody's interested in this kind of video. If you are, that's good. If you ain't, then I know you already clicked off, which is fine. I do all kinds of videos. I talk about the good Lord and spreading seeds and spreading His Word. That's all. And I do a little bit of that. I don't want to drown anybody with religion. I just like to say when the Messiah is coming, and just say when the devil's coming. You know, everybody should know. Hopefully everybody knows. If not, that's what I like to try to tell everybody, that the Antichrist is coming first, and that's on the 6th trump. That'll be 666. That's how he gets his ugly number, if you would, ugly 666. And the Messiah, Jesus, is coming on 777, which is 7th trump, 7th seal, and 7th vial. So he comes after the Antichrist. So don't be fooled about the wrong one. The Antichrist, he's going to come off peacefully, and he's going to be copying the Messiah. Don't fall for the wrong one. Alright, so that's my little seeds that I throw out there, a little broadcast, just a little bits, just to inform everybody. Antichrist comes first, and the Messiah comes second. So if everybody can count to 7 out there, you'll know when the Messiah is coming. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching it to the end. Give me an old thumbs up. If you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. That way my channel will grow and I'll be able to do more and more of these videos. All kinds of videos I do, and I appreciate it. I know I'm begging a little bit, but I want to get this thing rolling so I can do more and more for everybody, for myself, and then spread the word too. I appreciate it, guys. You all have a blessed day. All right, bye.